Please look at our F7 smart lock. This smart lock is made of alloy. Please, the outside is very beautiful and fashion design. It has 5 ways to unlock. The first way is fingerprint.
0, 1, 0, unlocked, locked.
The second way is password.
0, 0, 1, unlocked, locked.
The third way is IC card.
0, 1, 1, unlocked, locked.
The fourth way is key. You can see the key is under the lock. The fifth way is app unlock. You can choose Tuya app and TT Lock app. This is widely used in the world. And look at this lock body. It is 5050 lock body. It is made of a stainless steel. So all of this is our F7 smart lock.